How to sign up for DreamHost affiliate program. Hey everyone, today we are diving into fantastic opportunity for anyone in the web hosting and affiliate marketing space. We'll walk you through the steps to sign up for the DreamHost affiliate program. DreamHost is a renowned web hosting company and being their affiliate can earn you some great commissions. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what the DreamHost affiliate program is all about. As an affiliate, you can promote DreamHost's hosting services, and for every customer you refer, you will earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You help people find a reliable hosting solution and you can earn money in this process. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. On the DreamHost affiliate program page, you will find detailed information about how the program works, the commission structure, and the benefit of becoming an affiliate. Take a moment to review this, make sure it's aligned with your goals. Once you are ready to move forward, look for a button of sign up today or something similar. Click on the button to initiate the sign up process. If you agree with their privacy and cookie information, check the boxes, click on continue, then click on partner sign up. You will now be directed to DreamHost affiliate application form. Fill in your personal information including your name, email address and contact details. Make sure all the information is accurate. DreamHost will ask you for your preferred payment method. You can usually choose between receiving your commission via PayPal or check. Provide the necessary payment details. Read through DreamHost affiliate terms and conditions carefully. Ensure you understand and agree to them. You may need to check a box to confirm your acceptance. After filling out the required fields and agreeing to the terms, click on Next. DreamHost will now review your application. The approval process may take a little time, but don't worry, you will receive an email notification once your application is approved. Once you are approved, you will receive an email from DreamHost with instruction on how to access your affiliate dashboard. This is where you will find your unique affiliate tracking links and promotional material. And there you have it. You are now on your way to become a DreamHost affiliate. Start promoting DreamHost hosting services with your unique affiliate link and you can begin earning commission for each referral. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more affiliate marketing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Good luck with your affiliate journey and as always, happy marketing.